Okay, let's do this again. We messed up. First of all, we are not making a model of evolution. This is just we're trying to use this as a conceptual tool. We are not demonstrating the complex tree of life of evolution, but basically biological evolution from the first life, emergence of first life, evolution. So basically, this is the arrow of time, okay? Think about the arrow of time moving forward, okay? The evolution process begins with biology, the emergence of biology and life. Basically, evolution is ongoing. It is continuously ongoing up to this very moment. However, I personally believe that at a certain point, that once human beings emerge from the hunter-gatherer with complex divisions of labor, there is a higher level process that explains the changes in human society, and that is historical materialism in discrete stages. So historical materialism basically begins and runs parallel to evolution, in my opinion, at some point in the stage of human history. At a certain stage of human history, historical materialism begins as the dominant process as opposed to the dumb process of evolution. Evolution hasn't stopped. It is running in parallel, in my opinion. It is ongoing. However, the dominant force that drives human society, it goes hand in hand with evolution because the environment is now the predominant factor. The environment, societies, laws, courts, culture, religion, complex social structures, complex social systems, complex economics, complex energy utilization, in which case the higher level process of historical materialism of Marx and Engels is the dominant process in the human society, whereas within the non-human animals, all basically evolution continues. And it's continuing for humans. However, evolution is simply, in my opinion, not the dominant driver as opposed to Marx and Engels' historical materialism as a scientific socialism.